Situated in the south of the Valencian community, the El Espartal estate is located between the municipalities of San Miguel de Salinas and Orihuela Costa. Its privileged location puts it less than an hour from the two main airports of the province of Alicante and Murcia, as well as the beaches of the area. With a total surface area of 460 hectares, the estate has various infrastructures, among which we can find the main house of 1,200 square meters, with a garage whose unique characteristics allow the exhibition of vehicles, an 8-hole practice golf course, and a space for guests with a house with 6 double rooms with bathroom, and another house with 3 rooms. Outside there is a large pergola with an oven and a barbecue, all in a landscape setting. The estate is surrounded by important urbanized areas, different sports centers, and one of the main motorways of the Mediterranean coast. The 460 hectares of the estate are divided into 2 blocks, one of Mediterranean pine and the other of cultivation, covering a total of 55 hectares. Currently dedicated to the exploitation of citrus species such as oranges, mandarins and lemons. There is also an ongoing process to extend the cultivation area to a total of 75 hectares. The water supply of the farm comes from 3 wells, registered in the Catálogo de Aguas Privadas, and consists of a reservoir of 100,000 cubic meters and 2 ponds of 2,000 cubic meters each. It also has all the necessary infrastructure to support agricultural exploitation. A bay of more than 300 square meters with machinery and equipment, drip irrigation system and a network with fertilizer injection system, own electricity supply, and more than 20 kilometers of asphalted roads. Due to its unique characteristics, the property can be adapted for other complementary uses in addition to agricultural exploitation.